Yep.
So this is a universal robot, and this is our small one. We needed a small one to fit in the screen. So we have 4 sizes: 3 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 12.5 kilogram. They bumped it up earlier this year, and then 16, and different reach sizes as well. But the general consistency across that offering is these are considered collaborative robots, or as people will call them, cobots. The real difference between a cobot and a traditional robot is really, well, with a universal robot cobot, is the ease of programming.
Mm-hmm.
It puts the ability to program, puts the ability to maintain, puts the ability to redeploy into the hands of the facility. So you don't have to have a robot specialist that's minding that system. So it doesn't mean you don't have a robot specialist, but it does mean they can go home at night. And maybe the maintenance team on 3rd shift can still be trained to do a joint replacement or touch up a point. Whereas with traditional robotics, that might not be the case. The other side note is they do have the ability to run unguarded. We have these running next to people in many cases. We also have them running with cages around them, just like traditional. So that comes down to a risk assessment, but it just opens up more opportunities.
You know, truly easy. The UR caps or the templates that Jeff was speaking about. Amazing that you can take a high-tech device, hook it up to the end of the robot, and load the software off of a USB thumb drive, and you're operational in 15 minutes.
And there's a lot of third-party companies that have started to develop product-specific parts or end-of-arm tools for their universal robot specifically. Whether it's a gripper like this, you can see it mounts directly onto the robot. Vacuum systems, sanders, any kind of finishing. So we call that our ecosystem. So it's got this ecosystem of different products from third-party companies specifically for the universal robot, for whatever your application may be. So if you have a specific task you needed to do, but you aren't really sure how to design or make end-of-arm tools, odds are there's something already out there for this robot that you can take advantage of.